Hey everyone, how you doing? Ron here with How Do I. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to properly send an image or a picture in Microsoft Outlook. So here we are drafting an email. There's two ways of doing this. You can do the attach, or you could also send an image by clicking on this little icon here, photo from browser or picture from file. So let me explain two ways. When you do an attachment, it will not show up in the body of the email. So let's say you're writing something here long and you say, please, and you're trying to get your user's attention to please reference this image below. You don't want to do an attachment because when you send this over, all they're going to see is a paperclip that there's an attachment to it. But if you want something to be referenced below here, you want to come over here to the image and just click on it and do picture from file if you're grabbing this from Windows Explorer, Microsoft OneDrive, or Dropbox. So I'm going to do picture from file. I'm going to go to one of my screenshots here and I'm going to select that. And now you can see that it's actually being referenced. Okay, so what I've seen, some of the mistakes, some people, let's just delete this. Some people are doing this. They'll do an attachment and they'll actually include it like this. But now you can see is added as an attachment. So it's actually coming here. So you want to actually do it picture from file. So that's how you properly send an image or picture in Microsoft Outlook.